We are going to study about the crop production, the various activities of crop production of our country. This taken from the lesson number 1, 8th standard, CBSE textbook. Okay? Go through. Let's go. Producing of crops is not an easy job. It's needed special skills. It involves variety of agriculture tasks and different implements. The preparation of soil. The first step is ploughing or tilling. There are various ways to ploughing a field, such as ploughing by oxen or by tractor. Farmers want to make the soil loose. Loose soil hold more air and water. This allows the root of plant to breathe better. Loose soil also helps manures and fertilizers to mix easily. Next process is leveling. Leveling of soil makes the process of irrigation uniform. The next process is the selection and sowing of seeds. The seeds should be healthy and disease free. The sowing of the seeds always will be the correct distance from each other. They also want to get sufficient sunlight, water and nutrients. Next process is the enrichment of the soil. Maintain the fertility of the soil. The soil needs to be enriched from time to time. The productivity of soil can be enriched artificially by adding manure or fertilizers to the soil. Next, the important step is the irrigation. The irrigation means water supply to the plants. The main source of water for irrigation in our country is rivers, ponds, lakes, wells, streams, tube wells. Even dams are also constructed across the river. Every crop requires water at a particular time. Other important activity is weeding. Weeds are the unwanted plants that grow along the main crops and compete with them for sunlight, nutrients, water, space, etc. They are also affect the growth of the yield of the crop plant. Next part is the crop protection. The crop protection concerns the protection of crops from the pests, weeds and other organisms. Even scare cows. We want to protect it properly, then only we will get proper result. Most of the farmers are using pesticides. Pesticides are killing the pests. Some commonly used pesticides are DDT, BHC and Melothon and Gammasin. Oh, what a smell, Babre. My God. Next process is harvesting. Yes, this is the final stage of the agriculture task in which the fully grown crops are cut and gathered. Yes. Harvesting is a happy time of all farmers in our country. In our country, special festivals like the Baishagi, Holi, Pongals are held in this time.
फुलाता वैसा फूल है इसका।
वो कैरी बैग में क्या है?
ये गवार फल्ली है ये गवार फल्ली है।
गवार, ओके ओके।
खाद बीज देने का, घास निकाल के बढ़िया उसको।
हमारा कपास निकलने का काम चालू आहे, गरीब आदमी
जमलेली आहे। आता ड्रिंचिंग मध्ये सर्व प्रकारचे सोल्युबल दवा चालू आहे, तरी उत्कृष्ट दर्जाचे आपले घड तयार झालेले आहेत।
All the life in the earth depend upon the plants. So the farmers are feeding us. We respect farmers. Thank you. We know our doctor. We know our dentist. Why don't we know our farmers? If you eat today, thank to a farmer. Great out.